To create immutable values, you can use constants or the read-only modifier. Constants are fixed, immutable values defined at compile time that cannot be changed during the execution of the program. Only built-in types and string can be declared as a constant. Other reference types cannot be constants. To create an immutable value for other types, you can use the read-only modifier instead. The read-only modifier is only applicable to fields, class or struct members, not local variables. Fields with read-only modifier can be assigned in two places. At the time of declaration, just like const. Inside a constructor, which allows different instances of the class to have different values.